Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel CS and IT Tutorials by Vrishali. Do you know TCS provide Generative AI Essential free online course through TCS iON Career Edge program. So just go to official TCS iON courses website. So by completing this course, you will be ready for as a Gen AI developer. So about this course, this is a completely 2-week course and you need to give 7 hours per week. The course language is in English and this is an online self-paced course. Means you will complete this course as per your own schedule and time. So are you a undergraduate, graduate, postgraduate or fresher? Anyone can complete this course. There is no any prerequisite for taking this course. In this course, you will learn about foundation of AI and machine learning, then fundamentals of generative AI, after that prompt engineering and context learning, then responsible and ethical AI, and at the end real world implementation and future scope. Basically, by completing this course, you will get the basic knowledge of machine learning, generative AI and prompt engineering. So this is a best course for beginners. So this is a course syllabus. There are total 6 modules in this course. The first module is based on foundation of AI and machine learning. Here you will learn about introduction to generative AI and overview of machine learning and deep learning. The next module is based on fundamentals of generative AI. Here you will learn about evaluation of AI to generative AI, then LLM and embeddings and some generative AI concept. So LLM is one of the most important topic in generative AI. Now module 3 is based on prompt engineering. Here you will learn about context learning and prompt templates. Module 4 is based on responsible and ethical AI. Here you will learn about introduction to responsible AI and responsible AI practice. The last module 5, that is completely real world implementation and future scope. Here you will learn about how to use generative AI tools and application in real world problem. There are some case studies and about Gen AI in nutshell and Gen AI beyond the basic. So this total 5 modules related to the basic of machine learning, generative AI and prompt engineering. The last module 6 is based on assessment. There is an online quiz. So you need to attempt this quiz. And after assessment, you will get the proper TCS iON certificate of generative AI. You will mention this certificate in your resume as well as LinkedIn profile. This is a plus point for you. So definitely complete this course. Now, at the end of this course, there are some FAQs. If you have any doubt, you need to read this question and answers. Like, do I get the certificate on completing this course? So yes, you will get the certificate after completing this course. They provide verified certificate, right? Then questions are objective type only in assessment and marks are mentioned beside the question. So this is an online MCQ test. Now how to register here? So just go to this official site and click on subscribe for free. So after clicking on, you need to log in through email ID and your password. So just click on login. Now after login, you will get this kind of notification. So just click on confirm button. Now click on get started. Okay, see this proper TCS iON window have opened. Now your course is Generative AI Essential. So just click on this course. Wait a second. Okay. Now click on launch. So after that, this particular TCS iON window will open. See. Now mark as a read and go to next slide. Now there are some instructions. Okay, so after instruction, your course will start, right? See here. So this is a proper recorded sessions about
Deep
generative
new
AI essentials, right? So in this way, you will complete this course, attend the assessment, and at the end, you will get TCS iON Generative AI Essential Certificate, right? So you can mention this course in your resume as well as LinkedIn profile. So all the best. Thank you.